Basket. In general, a basket is seen as a sign with dual meaning. To see a basket in a dream may represent that you will be a property owner, gain income, make savings. If the basket is full, it tells that a dreamer will be successful in life. An empty basket suggests that something unpleasant and irritating may appear in life. If you put anything in the basket, it tells that you try to understand yourself and the world around you. It is also important to pay particular attention to what is inside of the basket. If you wear a basket around your neck, you will receive a job offer or a request for help from somebody. If you dream of a basket with flowers, this dream promises happiness and joy. To see fruit in the basket in your dream signifies good news about your expectancy. To see apple in the basket in your dream signifies a short-term scarcity. To see grapes in the basket in your dream refers to guests who will come. To see cherries in the basket in your dream may represent that you will be a business owner. If you saw different products in a basket, do not worry of the welfare in your house, because it will be obligatory. But if it is filled with useless things, you need to beware, this is a bad dream. Basket in this case symbolizes frustration in affairs. If you are shopping and you attempt to fill a basket with goods, this represents that you are trying to build figurative bridges in your waking life in order to obtain future successes. To see an egg in the basket in your dream refers to money which will be earned. To see many baskets with egg in your dream refers to abundant and relief life. If the contents of the basket have spoiled, ripped, or spilled, the dream can indicate that you may face failure in a project. If you saw knives in the basket, you should beware of troubles in life. Baskets in dreams can sometimes predict loss. This dream can also tell you to take better care of yourself. Seeing a basket with food foretells material safety. To see bread in the basket in your dream means that you will help a person who is in need. If you dream of a basket made of gold, this represents abundance financially or personally. To see of buying a basket in your dream may suggest that your owed asset will be delivered. To see of selling a basket in your dream indicates that you will get rid of your responsibility or a heavy burden. If you see many baskets in your house, it represents a literal or figurative flood. Seeing yourself weaving a wicker basket represents hard work and suffering. To throw a basket in a dream means that you will have a discussion. A small basket is a sign of financial worries, and the stability you enjoy at the moment could be a short-term one. To take a basket as a gift in your dream refers to a holiday, the opportunity for relaxation. To give a basket as a gift in your dream may indicate that you will enter into an intensive period, have an intensive tempo as much as you don't find an opportunity to rest. An overturned basket in your dream indicates deprivation of property. An ugly basket tells you to be careful in your daily actions. A beautiful basket in your dream is an omen of good news. To see grocery basket in your dream may suggest that you will make an unexpected expense, or your saving will decrease, or you won't make savings. Like other receptacles and hollow things, a basket may be a symbol of the feminine. As a container made of natural fiber, a basket may refer to sharing your natural qualities with others. To see laundry basket in your dream signifies that you will set off on a long journey or guests will come from a distant place. A basket is a symbol of organization and efficacy around keeping with you what you desire. To dream of a basket represents something in your life that is consoling or convenient. If the contents in the basket in your dream is spilt, it signifies the possible failure of a venture or sometimes the premature ending of a project. In a woman's dream, if she finds the basket heavy, she may be finding her responsibilities a burden. In a man's dream, a basket can suggest domesticity or his caring nature. Dreams of baskets brings happiness and joy to your life when they are full. An empty basket, on the other hand, can symbolize a feeling of emptiness or a sense of lack. In a dream, a basket represents a woman who guards people's secrets. Symbolically, the basket is connected to the element earth, the same way the chalice is to water. Feeling frustrated at trying to fill your basket can mean something in your waking life frustrates you. If you see a brand new basket in your dream, you are eager for more interesting experiences in your life. If it is a metal basket, it can personify strong defense mechanisms. If a woman dreams of a basket in which there is a baby, this points to a possible pregnancy. The phrase, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." This dream also shows how it is common to associate basket with the idea of collecting or holding on to things that are valuable. If the basket was full and useful, you will have new opportunities. If the basket was empty or damaged, you are in danger of loss through your own carelessness. Throwing something into a basket can represent success or your desire to hit the mark. As a symbol that allows us to carry and store items, the basket can hold the key to what you are carrying that may need to be released.